Hey, welcome to Simply Easy Cooking. Today we're making homemade chili, a cozy dish for any occasion. Let's get cooking. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan. Next, add diced onions, 4 cloves of garlic, diced green pepper, and diced jalapeños. Stir everything together and sauté it for about 20 minutes, or until it's golden brown. After the veggies are done, remove them from the pan and set them aside. Next, in a pot, add 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and a half teaspoon of salt. Cook the ground beef until browned, stirring occasionally, then drain the excess grease. Once the ground beef is browned, return the veggies to the pot and mix everything together. Then add whole mushrooms to the pot. Next, mix in 28 ounces of fire-roasted tomatoes. Then, mix in 40 ounces of Brooks chili beans. Next, add 1 teaspoon of pepper, a half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 4 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Stir everything thoroughly. Cover and cook on medium heat for about an hour, stirring occasionally. After about an hour, uncover and let it simmer for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. And there you have it. Your homemade chili is ready to enjoy. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time.